What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and are interested in learning how to make money online, I share tons of different methods on a daily basis. So please consider subscribing to the channel and join the team. And I also highly appreciate if you could smash the like button on this video if you have gotten any value. In today's video, I'll be sharing a method in making up to $4 per click. It's an amazing opportunity that's available right now, and let's jump into my computer. Alright guys, so the website is called Ali, and they literally allow you to earn money by sharing short links, right? So I'm gonna show you videos that you can actually share and make tons of money from it by getting views on those videos. Secondly, I'm gonna show you another website where you can compile as many links as you would like and then promote that link on other platforms to get more views and then earn money per 1,000 views, right? So it's an exciting method, and there's no limit to how many links you can share and how many times that you can promote, right? So let's look into Ali here and see how much they pay. Earnings per 1,000 views. Greenland is the top country in this list, which they pay $21 for every 1,000 views. Netherlands, $7.33. Canada, $4.75. Goes on and on here, so you can just look up your country in this list and find out how much you'll be getting paid per 1,000 views, right? So there are tons of countries here. And so how can you get started? So to sign up, it's pretty straightforward. You would enter your username, email address, password, confirm your password. So once you sign up and log into your account, this is how your dashboard would look like. So it will show you how many URLs you got, clicks, and current balance, total earnings, and total amount paid. So all the details are all pre-laid out here. And then in this section here is where you shorten your links, right? So you can shorten multiple links if you want all at once, or single, right? So we're just gonna go with single. And then now we're gonna find videos that are getting tons of views, which we are free to use, right, in this method. Head over to YouTube and search for a popular topic. This topic can be in any niche. So for example, it could be in funny videos, Fortnite, weight loss, how to get six-pack, you know, or best Amazon products, makeup. It could be anything. So for example, let's search up best Amazon products. Then from here, let's filter this with Creative Commons. So this video here was uploaded 2 weeks ago with 19,000 views. 30 best Amazon purchases, right? So it has decent amount of views in 2 weeks. And then this was 1 year ago, 317,000 views, guys. The best Amazon home decor. And then this was also 1 year ago, over 300,000 views. You can see, right? So the point is to find a viral video in any niche and then reshare that video on this next site that I'm going to share with you in a second. So we can completely use this video. There won't be any copyright issues. So you're just going to copy the link here, copy. And once you have copied the viral video from YouTube, you would head over to ManyLinks. So this website would allow you to compile tons of different links from viral videos, and you can redistribute and re-promote those links to different sites, right? So I'm going to show you which site that you can be promoting and getting views, right, for your videos. So now let's head over to, you could sign up for a free account, and it would take you a few minutes. Once you actually are signed up, you just need to confirm your email. From there, you'll be able to sign in. So now let's head over to my profile. I was already signed in. So this is what your profile would look like. You can change your image here, and then you will see your links down here. So from here, let's add a link, the link that we have already copied. Paste the title from the video here, right? And then you can add a small description here, and you can just create the link now, which is optional there. And then boom, there's our first link here. Must have Amazon home decor. From here, you can add another link. Let's actually do that again one more time. Let's go for this video here. And then let's copy the link add your link again. So enter your title once more, and then the description is optional, and then from here you're all set. So hit create link, so you've got second link here and so on, right? So you can compile tons of different links here, and you can reshare this whole page by copying this link here. So this will be your special link where if people click, they will come to this page here, and on this page you can add a quick description. Check out the following links of all must-have Amazon products, save money and time. So that sounds good to me. Let's update our profile. Like I mentioned earlier, this would be your profile link. So anywhere you share this link, people would come to this page. It's like a landing page, right? So you can copy this link here. And now where could you actually share this link and get traffic to these videos, where if you get views on these videos and you could be earning money, right, for every 1,000 views. One of the best places that you can share your link is Pinterest, right? So Pinterest has over 250 million people, and it's no brainer to share your link on here. And 90% of the users come to the network just to see what's new, what they can, purchase, enhance their life, right? What I would suggest to you is to make a pin with nice image and then put a good description on it, and then share your link in it, and people would actually find your link and then watch the videos and see what your videos are about. And that way you can accumulate views, right? In return, make money in the process. So the second option would be Facebook, right? Facebook groups are a good place if you can provide value, interact within the groups, and then share your link, right? Without being spammy. And then you can also go after the hashtag Amazon deals, right? So you can find posts like this and basically comment. And there are tons of different posts here, 24 comments, 12 comments, right? 96 comments. Third and final option would be Twitter, right? So Twitter is an amazing place where you can find tons of different pages and hashtags, right? So Amazon deals can also be found on Twitter. So if you don't have a Twitter account, sign up to join. It's free. It's completely free, and you can literally start sharing your link on there, interact with pages and hashtags, and add value. And yeah, so I'm just gonna keep this video short here. This is an amazing opportunity to make extra money online passively. Take action on this method. It's completely passive way of making extra money online, and it literally doesn't take you much to set up this whole process and drive traffic to your links, right? So with that, I will end this video here. Take care, guys. See you in the next one.